Hi, I'm John Baker. I'm here at Hannawalt Elementary. Want to start out by saying that I've been in this particular building this is my 17th year, been teaching 24 years overall. Want to talk to you just a little bit about the importance of advocacy for physical education, and talk to you a little bit about what I do here at Hannawalt that's been successful for me, and hopefully you can take some pointers away from that it will help you. First and foremost, it's about the quality of your overall program that you deliver to the kids in the elementary setting here. I've been fortunate enough to be at a fabulous school with fabulous parent support in kids, and what I've always felt is valuable here is to create a partnership between my families and parents, and let them know that as a member of the PTA, I'm there to assist when they need help, when there's a musical going on, anything maybe even other than physical education. We have every year what's called a Hannawalt in the fall, and we call it kind of a fall festival. And they asked me if I could emphasize fitness at that fall festival. And literally I would take a grade level from K through 5 all the way up 56th Street here, or actually Robertson Drive, which is just right out in front of our school. We'd run or walk with the children and promote that as each grade level. We'd literally get done with one and go into first grade, second, third grade, all the way up to 5th. And I soon realized over the years doing that, as I've gotten older, that I didn't try to compete and beat them to the top of the hill. Anyway, a lot of fun, but it's to show the parents that I'm there to help support whatever the endeavor is that we're working on in the school setting. Other things that I try to do is constantly have the parents come in when we do our fall and spring grand fitness testing. Literally, I teach the parents how to do the fitness stations, and that way firsthand they can come in and help me for one solid week for all the kids K through 5, and teach them the protocols of how we're testing out the 5 health-related physical fitness components. And that way they can really get a sense of what we're dealing with in trying to combat the childhood obesity issue. Other things that we do here, other than the fitness testing, kid striders. We do that literally Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Monday kindergarten after lunch, Wednesday first grade after lunch, and second grade on Friday after lunch. Every Tuesday, Thursday morning and afternoon, before and after school, we have parents that come in and check off completed laps in the gymnasium. And the goal of that particular Kid Striders program is for each child to complete a marathon. We started this in November, and they want to try to complete a full marathon approximately by mid-April. If they do that, each child will receive a hat, a commemorative medal, and then also they take part in the annual Drake Relays downtown as far as the Blue Mile is concerned. So they get a chance to finish in the same finish area where the elite milers compete. So that's really a highlight. Hannawalt last year, we had over 60 children that completed that marathon, which was far and above the other elementaries that were there. They probably had about 10 to 20 that were there. So I was real proud that our school was well represented in the walking and jogging for Kid Striders. More things as far as why the advocacy is so relevant is I always like to engage my parents on an ongoing basis. I'm very present outside the walls of the gymnasium, so if they have any specific health or fitness related questions, I am the professional that can provide them with that information when they ask. And also I'm quick to note that I'm not a medical doctor if that question comes up too, which occasionally it does. So those are just some of the things that I think that we do real well here at Hannawalt in just making sure that physical education is always on the front burner as far as discussion of why it's relevant, why it's relevant, and what we're doing in enhancing fitness here at Hannawalt on a regular basis.